A boy named Peter had a cat named Lucy. One day, just before supper, Peter and Lucy went out to the corner to watch for the Peter's daddy to come home. They looked up and down the street. They saw a lady with a baby carriage and a man sweeping leaves, two boys on a bicycle and a little spotted dog. But no daddy yet. Pretty soon along came someone sitting in an auto rickshaw. Could this be daddy coming home? No, it is a neighboring uncle. The auto rickshaw stopped and uncle got into his home. No daddy yet. A little truck came up the street. Could this be daddy coming home? And after a few time, Peter saw a truck coming. So he thought that whether his daddy has came. No, it was a bread truck. It stopped in front of the grocery store and man delivered some bread. And that truck stopped in front of the grocery shop and the man delivered some bread to the store. No daddy yet. Around the corner came a car. A lady and a dog were in it. And after some time he saw a car coming to the corner side and he saw a lady and a dog were in it. A lady and a dog was sitting in the car. Could this be daddy coming home? So again he thought whether his daddy came home. No, the car went by without stopping. The car stared and mewed at the dog. No daddy yet. And when he saw that car without stopping, it went. And the car stared. The cat stared, the mewed at the dog. And the cat was staring to the dog and cat make a sound, mew sound. No daddy yet. A big milk truck came up the street. Could this be daddy coming home? No, that milk truck stopped at a grocery shop. Clanky clang, milk bottle rattled. No daddy yet. And again a big truck came. That truck was having milk. It was a milk truck. So again Peter thought whether his daddy has came, but it was not his daddy. It was a man who was just giving the milk bottle to the grocery shop. A great big moving van dropped and stopped. Could this be daddy coming home? And again after some words, a big van stopped. And again Peter thought whether this daddy came. No, men got out and carried table and chairs and lamps and a big couch into a house. But who was that? In that van, a man came out who carried a table, a chair and a lamp and a big couch into his house. He purchased that all things and he went with that things into his house. No daddy yet. Again Peter thought my daddy has not came yet. Up the street came a truck sprinkling water from its side. Could this be daddy coming home? So after some time what he saw a truck sprinkling, means it was spreading the water from all the side. Again Peter thought whether this could be daddy. No, it was a street sprinkling truck and water swish all over the street. But he saw, no, it is not my daddy. It is a truck which is sprinkling the water everywhere. No daddy yet. Then around the corner came a bus full of people. Could this be daddy coming home? Again what Peter saw? He saw a bus full of people. So again Peter thought maybe in this my daddy will come. The bus stopped and out got a tall, thin lady, a little old man with an umbrella, a boy with a suitcase and a man carrying a bag. So what Peter saw when bus stopped, a tall, thin lady came out of the bus. After he saw an old man came out with an umbrella and a boy with a suitcase. He saw a boy with a suitcase and last he saw a man carrying a bag. Here daddy now, Peter shouted, and when he saw his daddy, who was his daddy? A man who was carrying a bag. After seeing his daddy, he shouted very loudly and he told, daddy took Peter's hand and he told, here is my daddy now. Peter shouted. And after hearing this, daddy took Peter's hand in his hand. Daddy, Peter and Lucy all walked home together. And all together, Daddy, Lucy and Peter, they all walked home together. So this chapter it is means you can understand that how curiously, how eagerly Peter was waiting for his dad. And at last, when he was seeing in the middle of the on the road, when he was seeing any vehicles, he was thinking that now daddy came. But at last, when he saw his daddy, what was the happiness? How he shouted, how he jumped with full happy mind. So his eagerness and his curiosity, it stopped when he saw his daddy. So this is the love and affection of Peter towards his dad. And as this, by this story, you should also show your love and affection towards your parents. So as a homework, lesson 17, poem Tiger, you have to learn 8-line poem, and lesson 17 and lesson 18 PDF I will send you to the school portal site. Please complete your copies, because soon you will come to school, and soon I will check your copies, and I want my copies completed.